Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage, and today we're going to do an install on the Vrod, and it's the Pathfinder LED light, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so if you guys have been watching us or seen any of our content, you probably know by now that the Vrod had the HID kit. Now, I did a video on that, on uninstalling and kind of showing you guys what the HID kit looked like. That is a wicked option for this bad boy. But in our case, we've had it on there for a couple of years and it was time for another upgrade. So let's take a look at the Pathfinder LED kit. So here it is. It's a plug and play. So that's the light. It actually comes with replacement bolts on both sides, and then it just plugs directly in. So you actually, it's not a lot of work to do this. So this is going to be a pretty short video, but just to show you kind of the differences between the two while we're sitting here talking, is here's your stock and here's the new one. So let me flip them over here and show you guys the difference. Obviously a pretty dramatic difference. I know there's some reflection going on from the light, but it definitely matches the look that we're going for this bike, and it's all LED, so it should definitely be brighter. It'll look a heck of a lot better. So let's just throw this bad boy in. Now, it does have, obviously the plug configuration is a little bit different, and it says right on the instructions that it does come with, very simple, in the back of the LED headlamp, the left plug. So looking at the back, there's your left plug. It says that is the low beam, and then the right plug, which is this guy right here, is the high beam. And then of course the right plug goes into the gray wire. So let me grab the tool here. And again, you just need a, the only thing really for this is a 3/16 Allen key, which we already have. And then obviously we'll want to adjust this. We'll do that once we get it, once we get the garage cleaned out, we get the Camaro out, or we move some stuff around. We'll do the actual final adjustment on it. You do need to do an adjustment once you remove your headlight, just because you want to make sure that it's pointed not up in the air or down too low, of course. But we're going to just plug it in and then kind of go from there. So let me unscrew these bolts. There's one, and it did, like I said, come with the replacement bolts as well. There are other options out there on the market. I know that there's been guys getting similar lights off of eBay, and there's other vendors that are selling these now as well. This is the option that we wanted to go with, simply because it is the build quality on it. I've seen other videos and reviews and pictures, and it just fits not only the styling of the bike that we like, but it's from a guy that's known for making quality products, and we don't have to worry necessarily about that part of it. So let's go ahead, find your fitment. Again, we'll be adjusting our light later on, but if you are doing this install, make sure and do your adjustments, especially if you're going to go out and ride. Make sure you're doing your adjustments appropriately, so you're not blinding oncoming traffic, and of course so you can see. Now the light is a little bit smaller than your stock light. Again, I'll have to do my adjustments once everything is good to go. Now, I think it's actually sitting pretty high, but let me move the bike back a little bit and you can take a look at it. So there it is. Yeah, that's way, I'm shooting into the ceiling here. So that's way high. So actually, let's adjust it down a little bit. Now that I can see it, let's adjust it down. So there it is. I mean, that is pretty darn bright. So let's turn that is the low beam. I know it's hard to see, it's just glaring. It's still really high, so I'll end up adjusting it down more. And then you'll go into your high beam. But I will end up adjusting this down here after the video, but that is the Pathfinder LED. This is ultimately what it comes with. I mean, it comes with the light. It comes pretty much inside the box and comes padded, and then it comes with the simple instructions. Again, obviously it's a very simple, straightforward install. This light specifically is only for the Vrod, so make sure if you're ordering one, make sure it's for your bike or the 5 3/4 or whatever yours is. This one is specific just for the Vrod. It's built, it has the contour right here, and then it's obviously kind of an odd shape. So this isn't going to do you any good if you're driving a different kind of bike. So that's pretty much it. That's the Pathfinder LED headlight upgrade for the Harley Davidson Vrod. Obviously, as summer sets in, we'll get some really wicked ass photos, and we'll be able to get it out and do some more testing. We'll give you guys kind of the real deal review on this product and many others, but man, does that look good. I mean, just even from the coloring and the brightness, and of course it's black, which matches the bike itself. So that is pretty much it. Hey, I'd like to thank you guys for checking out this video and any of our other videos that you guys have seen. Make sure hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. We've got a lot of cool plans and rides planned for the Vrod, so if you're interested in checking those out, you gotta subscribe, you gotta follow us. We also got more stuff going on with the Camaro, the Sportster, the truck, and we've got a couple other projects that are going to be coming into the garage soon enough. But thank you guys for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe.